Hi there, today we're unboxing a power bank. So this particular power bank is by a company called BLAVOR. Details are in the description below for anyone thinking of purchasing. So let's have a quick look around the packaging. This comes nicely packaged with the actual branding on the front. If I look around, the rest is all blank, nothing else on there. Some basic details about the product just here. Okay, let's open it up, see what we get in the packaging. So initially, get a compass. Okay, so let me come in close on that just to show. So it has a clip on there. Obviously you can clip it to your rucksack and obviously clip it to the actual power bank itself, and it's a keyring chain on this side and strong material on there. Okay, that's that one. Got a micro USB charge cable, so one end's micro USB, the other end's standard USB. And if I open it up, quite a short cable, not that long. And if I get my ruler just to show, it's saying around 30 centimeters in length. Okay, some silica gel, don't need that. The actual power bank. Got a thank you card from them. Okay, and a user manual. And the user manual is all in English. Okay, so I've laid out all the items you get in the packaging. So let's take a look at the actual power bank. So quite a cool design to this one, because if I open it up, it actually comes with additional solar panels, and these panels are actually detachable. So in total, you get 5 panels. And if I fold it back up again, bit of a leather sort of look and feel to this, but not actually leather. And this is the actual panel attached to the actual charger. Now the capacitor on this is 20,000 mAh, and if we go to the bottom of there, you've got a wireless charging point on there and an LED light. If I turn it, you've got a button there to power it on, and if we look just there, there's the indicator that indicates there's solar charge going to it, and the one just above, these lights indicate the actual capacity on the battery that's on the power bank. If I look underneath, some details regarding the device, and if we work our way around, you've got this cover here, a rubber cover on there. If I pull it off, it reveals these ports. So the side 2 are output ports, so therefore charging, and you've got a type C for input and a micro USB for input as well, for charging the device. So 2 methods of charging, which is quite useful. If I put that back in, now in terms of actual size of this device, if I get my ruler, and the width or depth I should say is 4 centimeters, the width is 9, and the actual height of it is 15.5. Now if I open this up, just give it a moment, and what you'll see, the green light turn on indicating it's charging. So that's your indicator for that. Now if I fold it all back up again, what you'll find, if I come here and pull this bit off, it's just a fixture, and I can just pop the back off, and it's just sticking on there with a magnet. So quite cool. It's detachable, so if you don't need the panels, you can remove them. And if you do remove them, obviously the actual thickness of the device is less than, so it's about 2.5, just under 2.5 on there. Okay, so I've got my mobile phone here. It's capable of charging wirelessly, and if I take the device, you'll see it's not actually on at the moment. I've not pressed anything either, and if I just bring it in close, there you go, it just starts charging automatically, which is quite cool. And if I show on the device itself, 73% charging wirelessly. And you see the, give it a second, if it goes off, hang on. You've got the red light indicating it's charging as well. Also, if I take the cable that came with the device, and I take my phone off, plug that in there, and the other end can go into the output port here. Okay, charging there, 73%. And just to note, you can't charge via both methods. You can't use the cable and the wireless method. If I've got it on top and the cable's in as well, just to show, at the bottom it will say charging. So that's just using the cable alone. So that's one way of using it. And now let's try using all the ports we have on there. So I've got a tablet here, and if I take a cable at the side, okay, so that's charging at the moment. There you go, 71%, and that's showing to be charging as well. And finally, if I get my mobile and put it on there, wirelessly charging. So charging 3 devices at the same time. So pretty cool. And obviously with that extra capacity, it could quite easily charge up the 3 devices to a reasonable capacity there. Okay, so for our next test, I've got a USB meter here just to show the actual current flowing out. So one end I can put into the ports that are here. So there's 2 ports obviously, and we can test each one out. Okay, so that's turned on, 5 volts on there. The other end's plugged into my mobile. Plug that in here. There you go, 0.55 amps on there. And if I flip over to the other port, okay, slightly more, so 0.67 amps on that one. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to show, if I take the actual power bank, and on the side here, there's a small ridge where if you put your nail in, you can have a clip popping out, and that is to assist if you want to clip this, for instance, to your rucksack and then have the panels going downwards. So as you're walking along, you can have a trickle charge going into your actual power bank. Now you can actually use this clip and attach that, so then this can hook on to your rucksack. So if I quickly show how to attach it, pretty straightforward. Obviously open this up. And there you go, all attached. And again, you can open it up, hook it on, and it will stay securely in place. Okay, so I've turned off the lights in the room, and I just wanted to show the brightness of the actual lamp on this. So I've just turned it on, and it's not a very large distance away from the floor, so I'm going to raise it even higher. And the brightness levels are really good on this, I have to admit. If you see, I've probably got it about a meter away. And now around 2 meters away, and this is the flashing effect, the initial one. That's the second one. Press it one more time, off. Let me turn it back on again. There you go, very impressive and very bright. I'm going to move even further away now, so quite a distance, and yeah, still very good actually, a very impressive light on this. Okay, so you've seen the unboxing and setup of this power bank. Quite a nice versatile product. I like the fact that it does have the extra solar panels, you know, to charge the power bank, and it's versatile enough to actually allow you to remove them so you don't have to use all that. And then you're left with something like this. So there you go. Hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Details are in the description below for anyone thinking of purchasing. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.